The act of applying a thin film to a surface is thin film deposition. Thin film deposition is used for metallization, dielectric layers, and surface pacification. There are two types in thin film deposition, CVD and PVD. CVD, chemical vapor deposition, is the process with chemically reacted materials at the substrate surface. Make vapor with boiling the sources and then deposit it. CVD is used as lower pressure CVD, plasma enhanced CVD, metal organic CVD. PVD, physical vapor deposition, is the process used films which is formed by physical process of atom transport to the substrate in the gas phase. If pumping the ion on the metal target using sputter, then atoms of metal is come out from the target. Then the atoms are stick to the substrate as a vapor. PVD is used as thermal evaporation, e-beam evaporation, post-laser deposition, and etc. While atoms are stick together, they tend to be lower energy level, and they make some shape. So there are three growth modes: layer by layer growth, island growth, and mixed growth. If the film atoms more strongly bound to the substrate than to each other, they make layer by layer growth. Otherwise, if the film atoms more strongly bound to each other than to substrate, they make island growth. Mixed growth is like this: initially layer by layer, then forms dimensional islands. There are epitaxial, polycrystalline, and amorphous type in film crystallinity. We mentioned polycrystalline and amorphous already. Epitaxial is formed in single crystalline and layer by layer case. There is no gain boundaries, so good for mobility. However, it requires high temperature and high quality, so it is expensive. Epitaxial is used to reduce contact resistance, growing the volume. In the deposition process, it is hard to deposit conformally, and easy to make bottleneck like this. So, make conformal deposition is essential. Step coverage means how well the film covers topography. It is ratio of top thickness to side thickness. There are some parameters to indicate deposition ratio: aspect ratio, step coverage, asymmetry, and re-entrance.